As the morning sun rose over Nimba Nature Cure, we came together to celebrate the 12th International Yoga Day. Our yoga experts guided inspiring sessions. Nimba doctors shared practical wisdom on the benefits of yoga. From graceful asanas to moments of reflection. It was a morning filled with learning, connection, and balance. Global experts from 15 countries gathered at Nimba to celebrate International Yoga Day during Dr. Prem's Naturopathy retreat. At Nimba, we believe nature heals us and yoga transforms us.